sign somewhere in front here. Right, so this was the scenario. When I analyzed, this was the scenario. So what we do from this side, X ABCD, we have done two favorites, ABCD and X ABCD. So I can directly pick from here X ABCD. So this is my X. I click on X. I take down to A. Click here. I take it to B. Click here. I take it to swing low C and leave here. Right, D point. So this is 0.5 where I should keep this D point. Right, it should be at 0.886. Right, so 1588 was the level. Then what we have to do next? BC projection. Right, so here I am able to see directly BC projection 2.11. Can you see? Here it's written 2.11. Here 2.11. So that will give you automatic. When you use this chart pattern, XABCD pattern, it will automatically give us BC projection. What BC? When I plot this as 0.886, we have to just keep watch on that 886 and paste it there, and it will automatically give me 2.11. So that's a BC projection. So what BC projection we need for BAT? It should be either 1.618 to 2.24 or 2.618 within that range, right? So it's near 2. So it's a valid pattern. And third is AB equal to CD. So how I have to make? I have to check it by taking the trend-based fib extension. A, click, B, click, bring down to C, click, right? So one was here, and alternate ABCD 1.272 was at 1580. So my level as per 0.886 is 1588. This is 1580.40, right? So is it within 1%? Right? It's within 1%. And even if you want to check what exact level 2 is at 1584. Right? 2 is at 1584. So I have got 1580.40, 1584 and 1588. These were the PRZ levels for Reliance Industries. And this was the day when very good results were declared by Reliance Industries. And all the people were expecting gap up. So I said, yes, gap up will be there. And I think it hit something 1604 or 1608. What's the high? It was 1509. Okay, it was later, I think, somewhere. So I said that book longs and go short with stop loss above this. This high is 1603. So stop loss may be above 1606. Go short, and you can see single day 2 targets done. और क्या चाहिए, right? Single day 2 targets done. Why? Because 1580, 1584, 1587 within 1% we are getting 3 PRZ values, matching values. And you can see it gave target in 1, 2, 3, 4 days. From 1580 to 15.5, 75 points. Right? 5% down. So Reliance is very good stock. Reliance is very good stock for that. So how we can trade this XABCD pattern? If I delete this, what is this? Which zone is this? Yes, DBR, but VRDZ, it's valid reversal demand zone, which is the ASZ for this. If I start tracking, if I draw this supply zone here, it's hitting this supply zone. So this will be my ASZ, right? So ASZ engulfed done here, right? Engulfed done here. Price came, gave you entry, यहीं पे enter कर लो. We are long at 1510. We are long at 1510 with stop loss at 1480, 1481, right? For target of what will be our target? First target, I will be looking for this level, right? It's not a zone, but I have seen there was gap down opening, went up, took some resistance, and then two big red candles were formed. Since this zone is taken out, it has no role now. This ASZ has no role now. So I have to look for above that, because this SZ is already near the demand zone. So it can't be my target. So the next target is this level. This is my target. And when it hit my target, what it was forming? It was forming XABCD pattern. Right? Price when reached to 1550, it was forming XABCD pattern. So I simply extended my target to 1580. Right? Can you make out? So we enter at C point, minimum risk, maximum reward possible. This is one method and safest method, I would say. Right? Because risk is minimal here, 20 points risk and 80 points target. So 1:4 risk to reward we are getting. Second is, what we do, if I plot this XABCD, I take the trend line and draw the trend line from X to B. Right? Draw the trend line from X to B. So when price closes above it, then I will be taking the long entry for D point, but it will be aggressive entry, right? This will also be aggressive, but it has a backup of VRDZ. So this is the safest entry. If you are entering here, then what you are doing? The probability of going to target is increased. But the risk is also increased. And what is the possibility? There is a possibility that price will move A, B, C, right? And it can go for D. Do you agree? This is 0.5, so it can go to 2. Right? So that's why this will be aggressive entry. And here it closed way above, so this entry was not justified here. And third is, we can say sort of confirmatory entry is when price closes above B point. This is XABCD. X, A, B, C and D. So when price closes above this 1544, then if we enter for target of B, but stop loss will be below C. So there will be big stop loss, but it gave the target. So there are various methods. Usually harmonics suggests to trade only reversals. Means you have to wait patiently till price reaches to D point, then short there with stop loss above X in this case, right, for the down targets. But I thought when I know that price is likely to reach here, when PRZ are matching, there is high probability, why not to go long at my VRDZ? I have added until that I know the advanced price action concept. So I am entering at 1510 only. I go long, I again short there. So both ways we make the money. Right? So it's not like one way. कि पुणे से मुंबई छोड़ दिया टैक्सी से और टैक्सी खाली लेके चले गए. टैक्सी पूरी भरी रहनी चाहिए अपनी, जिधर भी जाए. Wherever price goes, it should give us the money. Right? So three methods of trading is, one is trade, try to find the C point. But definitely there is risk of hitting the stop loss if your zone is not too strong or overhead B point supply zone is stronger. Right? There is the risk, but we can take that risk because it's around 1% risk, 1.25% risk. So we can take that risk. Right? 250 rupees is the lot size. 250 points, 250 quantity is the lot size. So, समझो I entered at 1510, so roughly 30 points. So 7,500 rupees is the risk, and 80 points is the reward if someone wants to trade in the future, right? So risk to reward is 1:4. And when it price reaches here, we book long, and I got more than the intended because price opened gap up at 1593, right? More, I was planning at 1580. So immediately go book your long and go short. Right? There will be slippage definitely. No one will be getting entry at 1593 unless you have space in the near the NSE office or inside that building itself. Right? So we'll be getting some 3-4 rupees slippage definitely around 89.90. My short executed and it gave target single day. Right? So when such move is there, there's no hurry to book. There's no hurry to book. Else I would have booked part profit here. Why? Because this was the supply zone which was taken out by single candle. There was no prior retest. There was no prior retest, so this was the flip demand zone. So I would have booked part profit here. But since zone was stronger, candle was red, no part booking was done here. At the end of day, I exited. Part profit and then full booked at C point. Right? So going back to presentation. So this is bullish bat now. Similar 0.382 or 0.5. If B is there, 0.886 can be there, 0.382. And BC projection, when we draw B to C, it can be 1.618 to 2.618. It will be M. Instead of W, it will be M. So here, you can see from X to A, it's 0.389, right? So it's near 0.382. 0.886 D point is coming here. It was Nifty chart, right? And this was 0.28, 2.8. So 2.8 means it's near 2.618, right? It's near 2.618. So we take that, and you can see how beautifully it came to D point. Gave entry, stop loss was below this, and boom. So if you can make out, I think the ABCD pattern which we saw in Nifty example, it was somewhere here only. Yes, it was A, B, C, D, right? This was the ABCD pattern which we saw. So Nifty is also good to trade for using harmonics. So full target of C point is done here. So what is perfect bat pattern? B point is exact 0.5 of XA. PRZ must have 0.886 retracement of XA as defining limit. BC projection should be 2.0. AB equal to CD should be alternate 1.27 AB equal to CD. This is, we won't be getting perfect bat pattern. It's a rare thing, but nearby matching we will be getting, like we got in Asian Paints, we saw, or Reliance, right? So 0.5, this is the perfect bat pattern. 0.5, 0.886, BC projection should be 2. Right? Similarly, 0.5, 0.886, BC projection should be 2. Next is Gartley pattern. So it's similar. B point is 0.618 retracement of XA. BC projection must not be beyond 1.618. AB equal to CD. There is no alteration here. And 0.786 XA retracement for D point, C point in range of 0.38 to 0.886. So X to A, when we plot, my B point should be at 0.618 or within that range of 0.618. Then when I plot BC projection, it should be 1.13 to 1.618. So which are the Fibonacci between 1.13 and 1.618? 1.13, 1.27, 1.414 and 1.618. So whichever of these four is matching with 0.786 of XA. Right? So first step is X to A डालना है, B पे click करेंगे. When we click on B, we get 0.618. We say चलो let's plot for Gartley. So I'll click on C and I'll leave D at 0.786. Once we do that, we have to check whether the level written here is within this range. If it's within this range, then pattern is likely to be valid. Then we have to just use trend-based FIBO extension A, B and C. So that will be giving us one level. If all these three methods gives us a narrow range of PRZ, then we are good to trade. Bearish-Hartley, it will be W, exact opposite of whatever we have seen. X to A FIBO will be 0.618, so we have to mark D at 0.786. B to C FIBO will be shown between this range. If it's within this range, then only we will be considering it valid, right? So perfect Hartley pattern has precise 0.618 B point retracement of XA, precise 0.786 D point retracement of XA leg, mandatory 1.618 BC projection. So for perfect it should be 1.618, but for non-perfect we have a range from 1.13, 1.27, 1.41 and 1.61. Equivalent or perfect AB equal to CD. The table which we use, if it's 0.618, it should be 1.61. That's why this mandatory came with distinct symmetry and time duration for each leg. C point at 0.618. So what is meaning of distinct symmetry? Distinct symmetry means visibly it should be good. Suppose I am drawing X, A, B, B to C and D, right? So it's looking symmetrical. Suppose this is my D point and this is my X point, right? So I can draw D here also. I can draw D here also. Is level changing? Level is remaining same. Level is remaining same, right? But does this look like W? The leg is falling. One leg of W is falling. So it should be symmetrical, not exact symmetry, but in short we can say दिखने में वो पैटर्न अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. सिंपल, आंखों को सुकून मिलना चाहिए कि अरे कुछ पैटर्न बन रहा है. नहीं तो कैसा होता है कि ऐसा हो जाता है और वो सो जाता है डी पॉइंट आपका पूरा ऐसा. द लेवल कम्स एट दैट लेवल बट वो सो जाता है. सो फ्रॉम एक्स ए बी जितने दिन लगे हैं, सपोज इट टेक्स 1 month फ्रॉम एक्स टू ए टू बी, preferably it should take nearby time from B, C to D, right? So we can take I don't use this timing thing, but you can get the judgment that probably on which day or in which week it might reach the target. If pattern is going to be perfect, probably it might, if it's a perfect pattern, then it will reach perfectly on that day itself, right? Equidistant, X to A जितने दिन उतने ही, X to B जितने दिन उतने ही दिन B to D, right? So if at all you want to check, I don't use it. What you can do, you can use this trend-based fib time, right? In this, there is one tool called as trend-based fib time. You click from X to B and again click there, right? So here you can see probably it was expected to reach on 21st Jan to the target, but it reached on 20th Jan on the target, right? So when you are entering at 1510, you can this close, you can guess that it will probably reach in next 4 or 5 days to that target. So there are different ways. People also click X, A and B. So ideally if you want the symmetrical triangle, one is here, right? Can you see at the bottom? One. So 0 to 1. So it should reach for perfect symmetry. It should have reached the target on 27th of Jan. But we don't get the exact symmetry. And दिखने में भी this pattern is looking good now, right? Symmetrical sort of. कि दो wings है bat के, two wings of bat flying bat, right? That sort of we can see. So you can use this, but I don't use it because it doesn't work that way. It works when it's perfect 0.5. Perfect levels जब है सब B point is also perfect too, BC projection. Then it might work. So I don't waste my time in working on that. So X, A, B, C, D, bearish Gartley, perfect Gartley we have seen. This is perfect Gartley. Next is crab pattern. B point is 0.618 of XA. Extreme BC projection, that is typically 2.618, 3.14 or 3.618. Alternate 1.27 or 1.618 CD pattern. 1.618 XA projection as the defining limit with the structure. C point within the range between 0.382 to 0.88. So X to A can be, it's written 0.618, but it can also be 0.38 to 0.5. But if we have 0.618, it will be sort of perfect crab pattern. And so you need to have these diagrams in front of you only. There is no need to remember, no need to mug up. If you have these diagrams, right? So this is the range for XA, B point यहाँ पे है, so this is the possibility. So now what has happened, you can see. If 0.382 FIBO is there, what are the possible patterns? One is bat, second is crab, and third is alternate bat. Alternate bat we haven't yet seen, right? So if and 0.618 FIBO is there, then what are the possible patterns? One is this crab and other is Gartley, right? Are you getting? There are two possible patterns. So what we do, we mark at 0.786. Here our D point will come. If PRZ is matching, we trade that. That might give that target also, right? And again it might come down if it wants to go down. If it hits your stop loss, then probably it's going for crab. So you can wait patiently for entry here, right? Bullish crab. So here you can see price going up, coming down. It wasn't in the range actually, 0.684. 0.618 is almost 0.5, but still it worked here. You can see how beautifully it came down. This was nifty, gave entry and boom, gave the target. Bearish crab will be exact opposite of bullish crab. XA we draw 0.382 to 0.618 and this can be 0.618 to 3.618. So this was Reliance long. So Reliance is very good stock. Then you can see here it formed this and this was the probable target as per crab. So price closed above B point. Price closed above B point, stop loss below this. This is the probable target. First target will be Gartley. We will be de-risking here at the Gartley because we have here SZ also, which is VRSZ, right? Which is VRSZ. So it gave some reaction and then you can see it reached the target. And this was again where I went short. I was saying that 1614, right? 1614 was the high that day and 1608 booked full and went short. And you can see it gave 0.68. Till I posted this chart, it gave that wrong. It gave the full target. So 0.618 of C to D. So perfect cap pattern, 0.618 exact, 3.14 BC projection, 1.618 AB equal to CD. We need not use this because we are not going to get any perfect pattern as such, right? So no need to remember that. So this is perfect bullish crab, perfect bearish crab. Then deep crab. So what happens in deep crab? B point is at 0.886 retracement, right? It was 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, then now 0.886. Retracement of XA or more. Extreme BC projection, that is 2.24, 2.618, 3.14 or 3.618. And alternate AB equal to CD, that is 1.27 or 1.618. 1.618 XA projection as the defining limit within the structure. C point with range between 0.382 and 0.886. Right? So X2A we plot FIBO, and B, if we click the pattern, it shows 0.886. So I will straightway go and plot my D point at 1.618. Clear? अगर 0.886 दिखा तो I will plot at 1.618. Then I will check this. What is this? BC projection. Right? It's showing me BC projection. Whether BC projection is between 2.24 to 3.618. Right? BC projection is between this level. And AB equal to CD, 1.27 or 1.618 alteration will be there. This is bearish, opposite of exactly. Here it's written as ABCD, but it should be X, A, B, C and D. Right? So price comes here. So deep crab is very strong pattern. Crab and deep crab are strong pattern. Bat is strong pattern. Right? Because price has retraced too much. So sort of जो हम बोलते हैं कि oversold हो गया. Right? When price reaches this D point of deep crab or crab 1.618 क्या है? Sort of लोग ये the people which you use I think RSI or something, they say that it's oversold. Right? So when it reaches at this D point, the reversal chances are very high. So these are the strong patterns. Bat is strong. Why? Because when price will reach bat D point, it will be usually at your VRD से. Right? क्योंकि X के पास जो zone बनेगा, उसका proximal line will be around 0.886. Right? So that will be a strong pattern. Then अगर X break हो गया तो this is the next strong pattern. Bearish deep crab, bullish deep crab. Next is butterfly. 0.886 की जगह 0.786 XA का retracement. BC projection must be at least 1.618. Equivalent AB equal to CD and alternation 1.27 is most common. So 1.27 XA projection most critical number in the potential reversal zone. Yani if this is 0.786, I will put at 1.27 most common. It can also be 1.4 or 1.618. Number 1.618 XA projection. C point within range of 0.38 to 0.88. So X to A, when I click on B, I see 0.786. I drop it at 1.27, D point. Then I check BC projection by going whether it's at that same level. Right? Bearish butterfly. Perfect butterfly, again 0.786, 1.27, 1.27 alteration, and C point 0.5 to 0.886. So these are the perfect patterns. So up till now, whichever patterns we have seen,